In this MCA training website.com video, we will look into the math and the money behind the Platinum Matrix. For those members who upgrade their Total Security membership to a Platinum level, of course, you'll be able to earn residual income paid out to you every month to your direct deposit account, money that you earn in the Platinum Matrix. And the money may seem confusing if you are someone who's looked at documentation that may just have a lot of numbers there. You don't know exactly where they're coming from and whatnot, but I'm going to explain to you exactly how that works. So of course, you will earn reward dollars based on having people in your matrix. The matrix is based on each person can only have 3 people directly below them. So once I have my 3 people, then people begin to spill over below them, and so on and so forth, be it from your own efforts or from efforts of people on your team or people that may be above you. When it comes to making money in the Platinum Matrix, we're going to look at these last 2 columns, which a lot of people don't necessarily look at too much, where it says commission percentage by level, as well as members per level as well. And of course, when you start the matrix, when you go in, as you can see in yourself there in red, you're there. Now, as you begin to grow your matrix, when you bring in your first 3 people, etc., there is a base commission of 20 cents. Now, when I say base commission, this is how the money is going to be calculated based on the people that you have in each level. Now, in this particular video, we're not talking about generations. We're specifically talking about levels. And of course, as we know, you can have people in your first and second generation that may potentially fall in any kind of level. You know, your first level people may fall in level 5. It's just a matter of what spots are already occupied in your matrix. So let's start by your first level, which are the people in blue. There are 3 people here, level 1, and the base commission is 20 cents. Now, as you can see, there are 3 blue people, 20 cents each. That gives you a total of 60 cents. Now, if we look over here in this column, it says commission by level. It says level 1 is 1. Now, 1 basically means the commission percentage. So we're going to do basic math for that. So that means if the base commission is 20 cents and we multiply by 1, simple. 20 cents for each person, 60 cents total. So if you have 3 people there occupying your matrix, you know, there you go. You have 60 cents in reward dollars. Now, as your matrix begins to grow, and you have, again, remember, only 3 people underneath each person. So now we have a total of 9 people. Level 2 has 9 people under it. And as you can see, there are 9 people. And according to the chart, as we scroll down 1 level here, again, level 1, 20 cents for each person, 9 people, a total of $1.80. And again, there are 3 people below this green person, 3 people below that blue person, and 3 people below this blue person. $1.80. And if you can look at the math, now if you have 3 people on your first level and 9 on your second level, you basically just add those 2 together and you get, look at there's that 240. There's that 240. Now, of course, as we begin to grow your matrix bigger, the amounts are really fractional. Sometimes you may do a fractional pennies based on the way that TVC does the calculations. So, you know, you may be off by a few cents or $1 or so, but it roughly equates to the exact same amount. So, again, as we continue to grow and we move on to level 3, again, now we have taken these 3 people, 9 people here total, each getting 3 people. 9 fall under this little area, 9 under there, and 9 under there. So that, again, 9 people getting 3 each gives us 27 people. Again, according to the chart here, commission level by 1, 20 cents times 27 is 540. If you add up now the 540 plus the 180 plus the 60 cents, you get around $7.82. Again, remember we said they're fractional pennies when they're calculated. Now, if you look at the first generation, second generation matches, you see these are actually different amounts. Now, of course, you have to keep in mind that if you have people that you brought in, you personally referred, you'll also be earning matching on the people you personally referred on what they earn inside the matrix. So keep that in mind. So again, if I'm somebody that's earning 540 because I have everybody completed, I'm sorry, not 540, but 540 plus 180 plus 60 cents because I have levels 1, 2, and 3 completed, in regards to if I sponsored them or not, I'm going to earn $7.82 just because I brought them in, or because they fall in my matrix. Now, if I personally refer them in, well, look at this now, I would actually be earning first generation matching of $7.20, which of course, first generation matching is technically level 3 and level 2. Because, hey, what's my first generation? They start here. And what are they earning? What's here and what's here. So, of course, 721 plus the 540, which is just level 3 on their second generation, because, that's just how that works on there. So, of course, as we begin to grow larger and larger, level 4, surprise, surprise, according to the chart, we're still at a level 1 for commission level, but now our team has expanded to 81 people on that level, times 20 cents, 1620, add up all the numbers, and we have $24.05, with a fraction of pennies, and that's just for having the people in your matrix, excluding matching money that you will earn for first and second generation matching if you personally referred, starting with these first people in blue, and your second generation were people in the green. Now, as you see, the 20 cents is starting to add up a little bit, but not, a lot. But as you grow to that fifth level is kind of what we call, I guess you call it the big money level. As you can see now, there's a significant jump in your income and the value of each person. On level 5, you have a team of 243 people. However, each person is now worth $1.60, boosting your commission on just that level alone to over $388. When you add that all up now, you're looking at $413 in residual income per month. Again, excluding any money for first and second generation matching. And again, just to make this a shorter video, as we fast forward, level 6 and level 7 are also worth 20 cents each. Now level 8, look at level 7, look at there, 2,187 people, and look at the numbers there, times 20 cents, that's $437. If you continue to add up all the numbers that you see here from levels 1 through 7, and as we scroll down to level 7, this total will give you roughly around $997.99. In fact, we'll do the math just so we can show you that. So we have 60 cents on level 1, plus $1.80 on level 2, $5.40 on level 3, $16.20 on level 4, $388.40 on level 5, $145.80 on level 6, and $437.40 on level 7. And that gives you a total, like I said, plus or minus a couple of dollars of $995. Now, of course, as we begin to move higher to level 8 is your last level of your matrix, of your personal 3x8 matrix. So when we fill that level up, a very valuable level, each person, according to the chart, commission level is 5. So that means 5 times 20 cents means that each person on that level 8 is worth $1. So again, with a team of 6,561 on that particular level, again, as we keep changing 3 times 3, 9 becomes 27, 27 gets 3, 81 gets 3, etc., all the way down to level 8, we're looking at a total of 6,561 people worth $1 each. And on that level alone, that's 6561. Very easy math there. Add it all up, and you are now looking at what we have spoken to on several videos and videos you may have seen, where you can literally earn $7,572 per month without referring anybody. This is solely on spillover. People falling in from your team from efforts of those who prefer people above you. Again, realistically, this kind of spillover will take many months, days, years to potentially accomplish. That all depends on the growth of and the work efforts of your upline. But again, the maximum money that you can earn, well, there is no maximum theoretically, but your money that you can earn is greatly increased by your first and second generation matchings. There's a big difference between earning $7,500 a month versus you referring people and making $15,000 a month. Now, as you look down these levels that have no levels beside of them, these are people. These are levels that continue to grow as your first levels and second generation, or your first and second generation sponsor people. So, of course, this level right here is technically your level 9. But again, for people on your first level, that would be their 8th level. If this is my 9th level, then anybody that falls on level 1 for you, this will be their 8th level. So again, if I'm making $7,500 a month, and they also have a full matrix on my first level, well, that's another $7,500 a month times 3 that I could be earning if I personally referred them, hence the $22,000 number. And likewise, when we look at the very bottom, where we have myself earning $75.72, my first 3 earning $75.72 each, plus those 9 people in green each earning $75.72, which of course, as you grow that grows into what you may have heard many times now as the $1,000,000 matrix, where again, if 3 people refer to 3 and etc., all the way down the road, that can be done. But again, from the basic math standpoint of reward dollars, there is a base commission of 20 cents, which of course you get paid for the positions being occupied. You'll get those reward dollars just for being in the platinum matrix. And of course, your money can grow exponentially by having personal referrals within your matrix, which would give you the ability to earn first and second generation matching. So the math is pretty simple. When you're looking at your levels in your TVC matrix back office, just note that anybody that falls on levels 1 through 4, 6, and 7 are worth 20 cents each if they occupy that level on solely reward dollars. Anyone that falls on level 8 is worth $1, and anyone that falls on your level 5 is potentially worth $1.60 to you for each person on that level. So as you're looking at your income, just keep that in mind, that is how you earn income. And of course, if people you referred in are also in the platinum matrix, of course, whatever they earn in the matrix, you will be matched in your matrix income on your first and second generation. Again, this is not $80 referral commission matching. This is only on reward dollar matching. I cannot stress that enough, just to clear any confusion there may be on exactly what is the 100% check match. The 100% check match is matching that is done for your first and second generation platinum reward dollars. So if I have somebody on my first level that is making $997 per month in the matrix, then I will also receive an additional $997 a month on my residual income from the platinum matrix. Remember, matrix money is paid on the first Friday after the 15th of every month. If it falls on the 15th, you'll get it along with your normal referral commissions for that week. If you log into your TVC matrix back office and look at your associate payments and look at the details, you'll actually be able to see exactly your MCA matrix entry there and exactly how much you have made from the MCA matrix for the platinum membership. Now, if for some reason you have somebody who is a gold member in your platinum matrix, then you will earn exactly half of what you see on the screen. Platinum matrix is 20 cents base commission for all the multiples. Gold is 10 cents. But remember, gold can only earn on gold members, whereas platinum can earn on platinum and gold members. So you do not want to shortchange yourself that money, because that $10 difference in price per month for platinum could overall cost you half of your matrix income. So, when you're looking at $29.99 plan versus a $39.99 plan, even though that it's not half a cost difference, it is half a difference when it comes to your reward dollars. If there is ever a day where you actually grow yourself to a full matrix, I'd hate for you to only earn $7,500 a month versus $3,700 a month. Or if you have a full matrix with a lot of first and second generation matching, we're talking about significant earnings that could really total, in the thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. So again, remember, 20 cents is the basic commission when it comes to calculating your platinum matrix math, and you can determine exactly how many levels and how much each person is valued just by looking at levels they fall on. So remember, it's levels 1 through 4 and 6 and 7 are worth 20 cents per person. That shows in your TVC matrix back office. Level 8 is worth $1 per person, and level 5 is worth $1.60 per person. Of course, if you look in your matrix, you have a very, very grown team. You may find people that may fall on level 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way down. Of course, those levels are just relative to your position. They may include people that may have a full matrix on your 5th level, etc. You don't pay any reward dollars for that, but of course it may be part of somebody's matching. Or it may be some first generation people that you had that fell down. Remember, first generation is not level specific. First generation matching is relative to that person's position. So if you have a first generation person who falls, say, on your level 5, well, guess what ends up happening? You do earn reward dollars for being on level 5 at $1.60. However, whatever they earn in the matrix from their own personal referrals, you will get it matched. And of course, if you go 8 levels down for level 5, well, technically you end up at level 12. It's not truly 13. It's actually, you include 5. So 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 4 levels. 9, 10, 11, 12 is another 4. There's your 12 there's your 8 levels for that person. So technically, you may see people down very, very far in your matrix, as your team begins to grow, and that may is part of your matching income. So again, 20 cents is the baseline for that for your commission by level. And just remember, you can't earn money in the Platinum Matrix just for having your membership. You don't have to do anything if you want to, but again, you'll be greatly limiting your income. And if you're waiting for just spillover, you have to be patient, because now you're depending on the efforts of your upline. If you yourself do it, you can have significantly more income by referring people. But again, no matter what happens, as people occupy positions in your matrix, your reward dollars will grow. Some people may grow very quickly. Some people may take some time. So keep that in mind. And being platinum, again, it's a great way to grow in your long-term residual income, your retirement plan, so to speak. It starts off small. There's no lie about that. 20 cents can add up over a lot of quantity people. But when you start really getting towards that level 5, you start looking to some income that can really pay some bills. And again, as it grows beyond that, it is really a potential method of growing a significant income by being a platinum member. Alright, if you have any other questions, you can check out this site, MCAtrainingwebsite.com, or whatever site this video may be embedded in. Just remember, that's www.mcatrainingwebsite.com, so that myself and you and us all can succeed by being a member of Motor Club America, enjoying great benefits and enjoying great income. Alright, you all have a great day.